It was a day of meetings, seeing old friends, and once again being amazed by the natural beauty here at Song of the Morning. Lots of memories here. The weather is great right now, and the residents are particularly loving it after a long winter.
Who are we waiting for? Gary Sachs? Oh, I thought he was saying I'm leaving now so I can be back.
He's gonna try to be back, but that doesn't mean he'll make it.
We
on
should.
time.
So, hi, this is Naren. He's going to be at the ranch for the summer, and we're happy to have him here. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Stephen.
This is the ranch manager. Yoga retreat, Song of the Morning, yoga retreat.
Oh, and there's also some biscuits coming out too.
Fantastic. Pigeon River. Yeah, it looks like a cactus, but then I'm thinking Loxodona. Here I am at Song of the Morning. Just had a great vegetarian dinner in the kitchen, and you saw the video of the Canadian geese that were flying north. So they're going back to their home in Canada, just north of here. So today was a day filled with meetings, and tonight there are more activities. I guess I'm just going to blend into the activities here for a day and then keep going on my gig search tomorrow, and or in a day or two. It's kind of nice to have the freedom, but it's nice to have the work and the money coming in too, of course. So I'm just talking off the top of my head here what else is going on. Of course, I mentioned the other day I have to get my website in order, and I am going to be focusing on that and getting my music ready for distribution. It's going to happen. I just have to get through all the activities that are going on tomorrow. I'm going to be with my daughter and her family who are camping nearby, and so my son Chris and I are going to go over there and hang out with them for the day. It's a holiday weekend, Memorial Day, so I guess I can put work on the back burner for a couple of days. And I have done my part. I've been to 6 or 8 places already looking for some gigs, and I'm not overly worried about it. Maybe a little bit. But it is nice to be here and nice to be in the peaceful surroundings here. And so I will have more tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a special day with seeing my daughter and her family at their campground, and of course that'll be part of my daily video blog. Tonight there's activities here with music. There's a musician who I introduced you to earlier, Naren. He's going to be playing a kirtan tonight after the meditation, which is a call and response chanting, usually in Sanskrit. So that might be fun. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get videos of that. If I can, I will. So everybody have a nice night, or nice day, nice holiday weekend, and I'll be back again talking with you soon. Thank you.